All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do the 2-arm kettlebell press to build stronger shoulders, stronger core, and a stronger body overall. And it's something you can do if you're just starting out with kettlebells and you're a beginner, all right? So, going through my step system, my 4-step system today, starting out with the high pull catch. I have a more in-depth video of the high pull catch. You want to check that out for further instruction, but let's touch on it real quick because we have to get the bell up from the floor to the double rack position to press it up, all right? So we set it up. Bell by your toes, all right? So you want to focus on, again, powering it up and you're high pulling it, letting it float, and you're catching it. That's the high pull catch. Using your glutes, up, power up, and that should float the bell. Like that. Should float. Okay, so that's the high pull catch. All right, power from the toes, pull it up, glutes and hips, catch it. All right, after you catch the bell, we're going to the next step, which is huge, very important. Remember, when you're training with kettlebells, just like with any exercise, the 2-arm press especially, you have to brace your entire body because you're pressing a bell overhead. All right, you're not sitting on a bench benching dumbbells. It's not the same, it's different. You have to create the brace with your body instead of just sitting on the bench, which is creating that stability for you a little bit. So your body has to create that itself, all right? Just like with any kettlebell exercise, that's why they're so beneficial, because your whole body is engaged. It's not just a single shoulder press exercise, it's a whole body, all right? So set that up. After you high pull catch the bell, you brace, glutes forward, hips forward, glutes tight, abs engaged, legs locked, all right? You're fully bracing for that press so that when you're pressing it overhead, your lower back is protected, all right? We're not just pressing like this, all right? It's not just a 2-arm press, it's a full body movement, all right? So that's why we brace, glutes forward, hips forward, legs locked, abs engaged, and as we have the bell, we pull it down, engage our lats here, these big back muscles here, pull down, squeeze those handles, and then the next step, we power it up, pull down, reset, okay, and then we continue to do reps like that, all right? Take 1 rep at a time, high quality, of course, as everything I cover here, all right? So this is how it looks with the kettlebell. So, bell by your toes. High pull catch that bell. All right, it's right here. Adjust your feet if you need to. Brace your whole body. And then as you power breathe up, you press it up. Same movement, all right? Pull down, right? Squeeze those handles. Pull. Meanwhile, my abs are braced. I'm protecting my lower back the whole time, all right? So, I'm going to show you what that looks like from the side. So as you press that bell up, bracing, fully lock those elbows at the top, and then pull down, reset, all right? From the side, as you can see, my glutes and abs are engaged. Just like I told you to do. We'll high pull catch it first. Right? Boom. Everything's tight. Overhead press. Pull down. Pull it down. Take 1 rep at a time. Do 5 reps at the most. You set it down, all right? That's the 2-arm press, guys. The variations and grip, hand positioning on the handles themselves are gonna vary based on your range of motion with your shoulders, your elbows, your wrists. Sometimes it's gonna vary a little bit and move around to get that overhead press position because it is 2-arm press. It's a little bit tighter than a one arm press, which you have more free range of motion. But play with that. But the main thing I want you to focus on is just keeping keeping your brace, abdominal brace, full body brace, squeezing the handles and pressing up. All right. So that's what you want to focus on with the 2-arm press with the kettlebell. All right. So practice this. Get good at this. Do 5 reps at a time. Break it down. Hypo catch. Brace your body, and then power breathe, press, and repeat. All right, set it down, shake it out, do it again. All right, once you get this down, practice this, because we're going to combine this with the squat to press or thruster, but you first need to know how to get that bell overhead safely and effectively before we can move on to those 2 exercises in one. Excellent exercise, full body exercise. The thrusters, the squat, the full press. Like I said, full body excellent exercise. One of my favorites, and my best recommendations I have for people that are starting out with kettlebells, just starting out, or if you're advanced, if you're intermediate, you could still do a 2-arm thruster with a one single kettlebell with 2-arm press. You just go heavier, all right? So there are all these variations in kettlebell. So that's where we're headed. That's what the next video is, the kettlebell squat to press or thruster. But first, you're going to get this 2-arm press down. All right, practice the bells, train smart, train properly, watch my videos, implement everything I'm teaching, because I break it down step by step so you can learn it the correct way. Right? So you can keep progressing, you can stay injury free, and you can continue to train regularly and feel good every single day, getting better and better and better. That's the goal. Get stronger, get leaner, get healthier, become your best each and every day with the kettlebell. I'm going to be here with you every step of the way through my instructional videos, through my full body workouts, and through the comments here. So if you have any questions on this exercise, put in the comments. I want to help you. I want to help you train smart. I want to help you get to that goal. All right. I want you to learn this stuff. I want you to start implementing stuff, because this stuff has turned things around for me. Kettlebells have changed the way I approach training. It's just so much, but I'll go in that in another video. But this is where it's at, guys. The kettlebell, full body training is where it's at. That's why I'm here giving these videos. So put this into application. I'll see you in the next video. Train strong. Go for it, guys.